Welcome to my channel. If you are someone new, then hello, my name is Farheen and I make videos on beauty and skincare. Sometimes I do makeup tutorials like this, which you will be seeing in a while. But if you do like what you see on this channel, do consider subscribing because that would help me out a lot. And coming to this look, I wanted to do something autumnal, something kind of like resembling fall, even though I know India does not technically have fall, but still I wanted to play around with colors and do something based off of this color because this is kind of like my favorite t-shirt. It says Dare to Begin, and so I thought I would do something like orangish, warm tone, brownish look, and this is what I came up with. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, take care, and I love you all so much. Bye.